live in a day and age where gaming is just a typical pastime. With these powerful computers in our pockets and consoles at home, you can always game on the go with streaming. That was pretty exclusive to Sony and their PlayStation. There's definitely something that I can't do with my phone and my computer that Sony has been able to do for quite a while now. You see, I've always wanted to be able to take this smartphone in my pocket and stream my games from my computer on the go. And my smartphone is just as powerful, if not better, than the Sony Xperia. Well, that changes today. Steam has recently launched their Steam Link app. I can take my Galaxy S9, connect it to my Steam account on my computer, and as long as my computer's up and running and has a stable connection, as well as my smartphone, I can stream the games played on my computer to my smartphone through Steam's Link app. Finally, something that PC players have been asking for so long is here. Kind of. Gotta remember, this is a beta. And though I have it on my phone right here and now, it doesn't perform optimally. So for those of you who don't know, this is Dead by Daylight, a full-fledged PC and console game that absolutely cannot run on any mobile device. If you're looking here, you can tell the graphics there are pretty good, a lot better than any smartphone that I know of could render. So it's definitely being rendered, and all of the performance is being done off location on my computer, and then it's being streamed over a stable internet connection to my phone. This is actually the most stable that I've seen the app perform. So this is the SteelSeries wireless controller, and this is what I use to hook up to my phone and control my computer with this through my phone. Streaming to the phone is no problem. As far as the controller goes though, that's a whole different story. Lots of issues there. I don't know if that's a compatibility with the SteelSeries controller and the Galaxy S9, or if controllers in general are having issues. If I'm not mistaken, Steam has come out and said that the Steam controller itself is the only one that works reliably right now, and all other controllers are having some compatibility issues, but will be supported in the future. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on the Hysteria. We'll see you guys in the next one.